In this guide, we'll walk you through the updated process of creating a poll on X, Twitter. Follow these simple steps to craft engaging polls and gather insights from your audience. To begin, open the X app on your Android device to access the latest features and functionalities. Next, locate and tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will initiate the process of creating a new post on your profile. Now, tap the post icon to proceed with composing your post and accessing additional posting options. Locate the poll icon positioned to the left of the location icon and tap on it to create a poll within your post. Enter your question and customize the poll options to provide variety and engage your audience effectively. Once you've finalized your question and options, tap the post button to publish your poll and share it with your followers. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily create engaging polls on X, Twitter, to spark discussions, gather feedback, and interact with your audience in a dynamic and interactive manner. Start creating polls today to enhance your social media presence and engage with your followers effectively.